Okay, what do you guys think? I don't know what I think, to be honest. Guys, I'm trying, goodness. Hey guys, today I want to try makeup. I don't really do makeup videos, but I've been thinking dark feminine makeup or whatever that is, you know, just I think it looks really cool and I think it suits me. So let me show you guys what that looks like first, because I don't want you guys to like, what is that? What do you do? I don't know what you're doing. Because now a lot of people are ignorant. So, you know, I hope I can show you guys this. There's a lot of ads. Jesus. Okay, so I'm on Pinterest. So this is what it's supposed to like look like, you know. The makeup is giving, it's giving very pretty. It's giving dark, mysterious, something like that. I don't really know. We won't be doing foundation. I know when you do makeup, you're supposed to do like foundation or concealer, bronzer, whatever. I don't really know what that is. I know what foundation is, but I don't have foundation. Not really. I don't have a lot of makeup either, which is fine, but I have a lot of stuff. I have this. This is bronzer, right? It says bronzing on it. I think that's what that was. I don't know how to use it. I really don't know how to do makeup. I have this, which I think is really pretty, except it's really old, but it's super, super pretty. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so we're gonna attempt doing that. A cheap makeup look, because I'm just, you know, like, I like makeup. I don't have the skill or the talent to, you know, but what I can do is mimic, you know, so. My face. I mean, I think I have the facial structure, you know. Also, here's some brushes that I have. My friend gave me all this makeup, by the way, because I like didn't have any. I got a little this too. So, okay, let's get started. Okay, so some of these makeup looks have heavy eyeliner, you know, and some don't have eyeliner. Because I have a lack of makeup, I think I'm gonna do a style with the eyeliner. It's just, okay, everything's over here. And I don't even have dark lipstick, but I don't know, I'll just combine stuff together. You know? We'll make it work out. I don't know. Okay, anyways. We're gonna do a makeup look with, can I put this here? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do a makeup look with eyeliner because I lack the makeup, but you know, if I think I can pull this off. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with this makeup palette. Oh, my bad. Okay, so we're gonna start with this makeup palette. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, so we're gonna use this brush. I don't know. The reason why I'm not doing foundation or like, that was my bird. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry, I had to attend to my little bird. Anyways, I usually see that it's more lighter up in here, and then it gets dark around here, so I'm gonna try to imitate that. We're gonna start with this color. We're gonna start with this color and put this, sorry, I can't see. Okay, so we started with the light color going up here. Already put that on off camera. Okay, now we're gonna start with this color and we're gonna put that in the middle part, like right here. So I gotta blend this in. It's kind of hard to do it on camera. Okay, now we're gonna, okay then. Do I use the antique? Anyways, I'm gonna put this on, antique bra, sorry. Yeah, Okay, anyways, this is still pretty light, so I'm gonna have to go darker. So I'm gonna pull out a completely new palette and try those colors. I don't even know if you should be mixing palettes, but I mean, if they're all the same, then I know it should be fine. Okay, we're gonna be using this palette now. My friend gave this to me. I can't open it. So yeah, I hope I don't severely break out in acne. I'm gonna be so sad. So we're gonna use this. Looks like she used this one a lot, so I'll be using it too. Okay, so now the eyeshadow's done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, make them more darker, more straighter, more like, you know, bold. I've been using this since middle school. I don't know how old this is. It's really old. Like when I got it in middle school, it wasn't even brand new. So we're gonna take this and start putting it on my eyebrows. I can't see. Okay, I hope my eyebrows look fine. I don't know. Okay, on to the next. Eyeliner. This is what I'm using. I think this is like a year or two old. So, yeah. I'm not that good at eyeliner. I'm surprised I did a straight line. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the eyeliner. It's kind of really bad, but it's not like I'm gonna be wearing this out or anything, so that's fine. What's next? First of all, they have a really smoky line, so I gotta somehow get it like dark down here, my eye line. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll just use eyeshadow to do that. I don't know. Does this even have black? No, it does not. I mean, there's a gray in here because that's not black. That's dark blue. So I gotta try to give it a smoky effect. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So I'm thinking I just take the gray eyeliner and put it on my bottom. Okay. Note to self, that's not gonna work. I tried. Okay, I don't know what to do. Do you guys hear that? I'll just ignore it. I'm in a locked bathroom with no windows. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna just take eyeliner and try to smudge it. I don't know. Guys, it didn't work. Didn't work. I tried using a Q-tip because, you know, Q-tips are small. It didn't work. Don't do it. It didn't work. No, I gotta take it off. Okay, I think I should move on to the lips for now. I don't really have lipstick. I don't know what this is. Lip gloss. I don't even know. I'm trying to do this makeup look. I really can't. I don't even know how old this is. I gotta do more than that. That can't be it. Oh, I have this. I'll just do this too. And no, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing whatever. Okay, so one thing that I really want to try is if you look at her makeup, she has like a thing on the corner of her eye. Like if you can see that. I want to try doing that too. It's like, it looks like an Egyptian thingy. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try doing it. Okay, I just put it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's giving cat eye. I really like it. I guess now to pull this look together is some mascara and curling. I don't really wear makeup all the time, but when I do wear makeup, I use this. It's probably not the best to use, Oh, I have two mascaras. I'll just use them both because I think they're both kind of empty, so. Guys, I don't know why I'm hearing noises. It's not the bird. I just got this house blessed. And now I'm being spooked out again. It's terrible. Okay, my eyelashes are now curled. I'm gonna switch between the two because I think they're kind of empty, so it's just... I can't do this right now, hold on. Okay, this makeup look is done. Let's get out of the bathroom and take a better look at this. Okay, what do you guys think? I don't know what I think, to be honest. I think my forehead's a little big. Hold on, maybe if I move my hair, you know, maybe. Guys, I'm trying, goodness. Sorry, so I'm like a super awkward person, so I'm not really good at doing like reveals or whatever, so I'm trying to give you guys like all angles of this, so. Okay, I guess after this video I'm gonna wash this all off and I'm probably gonna go take a nap or whatever. So let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Why is there a mark? Oh, is it just a shadow? It's probably just a shadow. It definitely does age me up some more. I look more adult-like. I mean, I am an adult, but like, you know, it's kind of different for me, but I think it's in a good way considering that I'm not wearing any foundation or nothing. I just put on other stuff. I didn't even do like a full makeup look like at all. So all right, we're almost to 700 subscribers. If you guys want to subscribe, I would appreciate that. Either way, I'm gonna be uploading content. I try to do every week, you know, but I seem to either do them just 2 days late or way too early, so that's kind of my uploading routine schedule or whatever. So bye. So I'm actually gonna remove the makeup on camera. Well, I mean, not on camera, I guess to end the video or something. Okay. Say goodbye to the makeup because I'm taking it out. I'm tired. Okay. Okay, so my face wash is in the washing machine, so I can't dry my face, so I'm gonna just let my face air dry. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, for real this time.